What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review back with another video. And today I got another watch video. And this time around, it's not the Invicta brand that I usually get, but I picked up a Casio men's G-Shock Quartz watch with resin strap. So this is the black one. This is model DW5600E-1V. So I was on YouTube the other day, and the G-Shock watches kept populating in my YouTube. So I said, man, I used to pick those up way back in the day when I was in my 20s and 30s. That was before the smartwatch era. And these were some pretty good watches, and I haven't bought one in a long time. So I ventured over to Amazon, and I picked this one out. And this is one like I had way back then. This is pretty simple G-Shock watch, but this is the one I picked up. It's $45.29 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. This is the watch. And these are some nice watches, man. They're very durable, and they last a long time. So here's a little information. G-Shock, the most durable digital and analog digital watches in the industry, trusted by military, personnel, law enforcement, surfers, and outdoor enthusiasts around the world. So they're known for their toughness, shock resistant, has 20 bar water resistant, good for such things as swimming, surfing, and jet skiing. It has a EL backlight, so this can be easily seen in all different situations. And let's look at some of the other specs and features and details. Shock resistant, 20 meter water resistant. Case diameter is 45 millimeters. Multifunction alarm, 1/100-second stopwatch. This has a countdown timer, automatic repeat function, hourly time signal, auto calendar, pre-program up to the year 2039. So this will last a long time. See what else here. Model year 2017, 45 millimeter case diameter, 15 millimeters case thickness. The band is resin, and the length is 9 inches. Bandwidth is 26 millimeters. And that's pretty much all it has. It does have the calendar as well, light, and stopwatch. So let's jump into this. Mainly bought this because with the current situation that's going on around the world, now this came in the mail. I have wiped down the outside of it with some nice disinfectant wipes. I'm putting the gloves on, so when I open it up, I'm going to wipe the content inside of the packaging down as well. But with the current situation of things going on, I've been at home working outside a lot, and I don't really need a smartwatch outside. I need something. Wow, what is that? Wow. Oh, that's the glue inside of it. Had me freaked out there for a while. But I don't need a smartwatch outside to work in the yard, so I decided to pick up a G-Shock. Yeah, that's the glue inside of the bag, I'm assuming. And to work outside, don't have to worry about beating up my smartwatches outside. And so I picked this up. And straight off the bat, you can see it doesn't come with the box included. It just comes with this little stand here. This looks like something you can get right off of out of the Walmart shelves. Amazon be tripping sometimes. But there's the watch. I always like to get my box to do an unboxing, but that didn't come. So here are my wipes here. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe all this down. Just can't be too safe these days. and then we'll take a look at the watch. Okay guys, so I have it wiped down, and let's see what all's included here with the watch. So you get your booklet here, user's guide, so you can go through and learn all your functions, how to set it up, and different things of that nature. And it looks like it's in 2 different languages here, maybe 3 different languages, but it's in English, so that's what I need to see there. And you get the watch. Like I said, I would have loved to have had the box that is shown on the web page, but it doesn't show it. So okay guys, so here's a close-up look at the watch face here. So over here on this side at the top, you have adjust, you have your mode right here, you have your start and stop for your stopwatch and your timer, countdown timer. And then over here, this button here is for your lights. So these are the buttons and stuff around the side of it here. Now what I noticed, this one is kind of countersunk right there, and I'm thinking they did that so you don't accidentally press it and change something. But let's take a look at the backlighting here and let you guys see how that looks. So it illuminates pretty well. You should be able to see it in all different situations. So that is that. So you have protection here, a little G-Shock, Casio illuminator, water, 200 meter resistant. This is over here is telling you you can turn your light on and off, start and stop. And at the bottom, you have alarm, and I can't see the rest of it, but you guys probably can. And then G-Shock at the bottom. Here's the band. It's pretty stiff right now, probably will loosen up as it goes along. You do have some screws here on the side of it. On the clasp, you have a little G-Shock Casio branding there. And then the back of it, here's the back of the watch. And you guys can read that because it is kind of hard for me to see. I think it's telling you the model number, water resistance, and different things of that nature. But there it is. You guys can read it. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the gloves off, and then we'll get this thing set up. We'll go ahead and set the date and the time and the month and stuff. Okay guys, the gloves are off, as they say. So to set, you guys, the time is wrong here, and it's not Saturday, it's Sunday. 4:19 is correct, but I don't know why it's showing that. So to set, you have the mode here, and this is the adjust. That button is so small I can't get my fingers in there, so I'm going to use something to press it. And as you see, after I press that, now it's flashing over here, so I can take the adjust and just go make this move over. So now it's over on the hours. So I'm going to go ahead. It's 11 here where I live. So I'm going to bring this up to 11. Now this does have military time as well. So 11 right there. And then I can make it go up to the minutes. I'm going to leave it right there. As far as the minutes, I'm going to leave it as the seconds. This is the year 2020. So I'm going to advance this until it gets to 20. And look like I got to go through the whole setting here. And I don't know how far this goes up, but I'm going to go ahead, probably fast forward past this part. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I went too far. I wish I could go back. And right there, you can set 24 hour, or you can set 12 hour. You don't have to press it each time. You can hold down on it and it'll speed through, as you guys can see. And when you get close to where you want to be, just let off of it. And there it is. So the date, this is the 4th month and the 18th. So now that I have that set, I'm going to go ahead and press that. Now you can see it's Sunday, 4/19, it's 11:02 here. So that is how you set that. Now if I wanted to set me a timer, I could go here and set the to set the alarm. I would do the same thing. I would just go through and I would set my alarm, and I can turn the alarm on and off right there. And I could go through, and if I wanted to set a countdown timer, I could do the same process. And if I wanted to start the stopwatch, I could go ahead and start it like that. So pretty easy to set up. If I had an alarm set, I could go ahead and press that to activate it. So let's take a look at it on my wrist right quick. Now I don't have really huge wrists, 7 1/4 or something like that. I may have gained a few pounds since this situation with the world, so they may be a little bit bigger. But there it is on my wrist, and 45mm case is not too bad. Looks pretty good. I like the way it looks because I like big watches anyway. So this is just a nice nostalgic look for me, and it's a very nice rugged watch that you can wear, and should have some pretty good battery life. And it is, the calendar goes way up to 2039, and a good price on it. So all right guys, the Casio G-Shock, model number right here on the display. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.